Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about conversion function. So let us start. There are two types of conversion function: implicit data type conversion, explicit data type conversion. Implicit data type conversion done by Snowflake itself during query evaluation from one data type to another data type which is suitable for evaluation. And explicit data type conversion done by user in query using conversion function. So let us understand implicit data type conversion. This is my free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? You can check from my playlist. And this is a Snowflake web UI I'm using. Here we add 10 plus 5, but here 10 in single quote, so it is character data type. During evaluation, it's convert character data type to number data type. If I execute this statement, then it get result 15. But here character data type converted to number data type. Let's understand another example. Here we are selecting all column and row from order tables and we compare here logic cust key with character data type. We put this number in single quotes, so it is character data type. During evaluation, first Snowflake convert character to number data type because cust key is number data type. So 36901 converted to number data type from character data type. In same way, order date is here date data type, so it is in single quote, so it's considered character data type. So first a Snowflake convert character to date data type, then we compare order date column with this logic. So if I execute this statement, here Snowflake convert character to number and character to date implicitly by Snowflake itself. In same way, let us suppose this example we are concatenating number data type to character data type. Here total price is number data type and order status is character data type. Varchar means character data type. So first Snowflake convert number data type to character data type, then we concatenate by this concat expression. Okay. In same way, here order date is date data type and order status is character data type. So Snowflake convert date data type to character data type to concatenate this two column. So if I execute this statement, you can see here result. Okay. Let's move to slide. We understand this example also. So now let's learn explicit data type conversion. Let's learn explicit data type conversion. Explicit data type conversion done by user and implicit data type conversion done by Snowflake itself. And implicit data type conversion can be convenient because we are not done and it's done by Snowflake. So sometimes it's lose precision and get unexpected result. So we have our choice to do itself. So we have two number, two date, two character and cast function. All these function we learn in upcoming video. So please stay tuned and like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.